We are beginning a maniac week. We're going to be canning beans and green chicken chili, chili con carne, meat sauce, and Asian Asian inspired sauce. This is not a good week for me. Not a good morning. That's why I've been banished to checking beans for rocks. And this is how I do it. I sprinkle out some beans. These are unsorted beans. And I put them on a white plate. This once was perfectly white. It's now white enough. And I go through them looking for rocks and bad beans. These are really hard on the eyes. So I'm just going to let the camera kind of run while I pick these out. And I'll show you at the end what I found. It's a good thing Dagny has banished me to being bean picker of the week. Okay, I have to find a way to put these in the baggie without spilling them all over the table. Stand by. Now, Dagny has really got a giggle out of my recipe names, but I'm okay. I'm just gonna pick beans. Boy, do I need a set of spectacles for this. I've decided to put the beans elsewhere and put the bad things and put the clean beans. Now, oh, I have a question for all of you watching. How can you pick rocks and mud out of a bowl like this, out of something of beans? How can you pick those out? I watch people do it on YouTube. They must think they're magic. How can you get all the bad stuff out? You can't. And my grandma taught me this stuff. 'Cause boy, I'll tell you what, you ever sort beans for her, and there was a rock or a mud bit in it, you could really shorten your lifespan. So, I've always been the master bean picker. Got good eyes for it. And it takes time. And it's like, it's okay. It's better to have healthy food than not. I once, when I was cutting celery using our food processor and a pair of pliers, you'll find that video, or maybe I'll give a link to it. When I was doing that, I made the comment about cleaning celery real good and not just grabbing it and cutting off the base, rinsing it off, and then chopping it up and canning it. I said I will not feed dirt to my family or to friends. That's how I am. So bean picking, right up my alley. Okay, you see what I'm doing? So, I'm going to stop here. I'll let you see when I get done. Okay, I just did 2 1/4 cups of unsorted beans, and here's what I got out of them that are no good. Now tell me how you can find all that in a bowl. And you pick at it. These are not good tasting beans when they're like this. Now, on to the next. Cranberry beans. Look what came out of the top of the can. We get these beans in number 10 cans. But let me see if I can line this up. That's a rock. In white beans. Okay, what we have here is 4 cups of dried white beans. And what we have here on the plate are what was pulled out of the 4 cups that are not good. Can you see? I can't see it. Can you see the rocks? Right there, there's 3 rocks that came out of 4 cups. Would you serve that to your family? No way in hell. By the way, this is good. You know, if your kids want to help, teach them how to sort beans. Pick through beans. Kids have eagle eyes. Just ask Dagny. Every time she wants a bean sorted, she sets me here and puts me to work. Of course, she's doing something else. Let's see if I can get it on film. She is sorting through the cilantro for the green chicken soup. Now, she's saving the leaves there. She's saving the stems. She was chewing on one recently. And she's going to dehydrate the stems, and we're going to powder it and see if it's got real kick-up cilantro flavor, because the stems do have great flavor. We'll let you know how that turns out. And there's her thing. She washes the cilantro really good. We really are have an aversion to dirt in our food. Okay. We'll be back when I figure out what I'm supposed to be doing next.